What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's third part of bird spotting and something good. We've got this for the birds, they love it. We've also got some nuts. If we're very lucky we might get a squirrel, but probably not. So I'm just gonna go on the trampoline, just see if any birds come. Okay, but I'm quite cold, so I'm going to quickly go get my hoodie, then we can probably start this video. Okay, now I've got my hoodie on. I've just noticed this as I was walking out. If you come up here, round here, you'll see a mysterious head of a pigeon. I thought I was flying over, and there was a bee right next to me. Oh, what was that? There's a feral pigeon and a starling on our move. Oh, there goes the feral pigeon. We'll check on you at the end of the video if you're still there. Another thing I know is if I jump high enough, I should be able to see over the fence, and he'll give me the advantage to see. Oh, but I forgot. Let's reach high. I hear water. Good. It was raining a lot. Oh, I see water. Wow, there's loads. Look at the footprint. Oh, blackbird. You know what I'm going to do? There he is. I'm going to go ask Max and see if he wants to come over and do bird spotting with me. See you here in a minute. So he's going to football today, so can't. Okay, so he can't come. Just wait for somebody. No, not Phil the feral pigeon. He's gone, that's sad. Oh well. Time to go back on the trampoline. So I'm going to check over here. I don't see any birds. I see a blackbird. But I do not like blackbirds. And he's gone. Yeah, there were not many birds out once again. So, yeah, peace.